Tom Brady's suspension comes with a lot of rules. He can't go to New England Patriots practices or games or even the team facility. That's right, if Brady left something in his locker on Friday, he won't see it again until October 3rd. Brady isn't allowed to have any contact with Patriots coaches or other team personnel. No exchange of playbooks or game plans via email, snail mail, Snapchat, nothing. He's not allowed to play catch with teammates. If Julian Edelman showed up at his front door and wanted to throw the pigskin around in the backyard, Brady can't do it. He is supposed to remain cut off from the Patriots for all 30 days. He can't get a ticket and attend their game as a spectator. He's not allowed to go on the road with the team. What will the team playing do with all those quinoa smoothies? He can't even go to a news conference if he wants to ask Bill Belichick who's going to start at quarterback in Week 5. But how will the NFL really know? How will the league enforce all of these rules? Will they bug his phone? Camp out in a van across the street from his house for 30 days? Email him game plans from a fake Belichick account just to see if he'll take the bait? The short answer is no. NFL spokesman Brian McCarthy said, quote, "If we were notified of possible impermissible contact, we would look into it," end quote. That's it. Honor system, basically. If Brady sends a game plan related text to Rob Gronkowski next Thursday, the only way the NFL would know a violation had occurred is if Gronk ratted him out, which seems unlikely. So yeah, there are a bunch of things that are sure to bother Tom Brady during his suspension, but it looks like Big Brother isn't one of them.